Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Keith Elementary School, home of the Dragons in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan. This is my second visit to their school. We focused on bullying, look at the heart first when I came last school year. For this presentation, for all the grades K through 5 today, right here in the gym, we touched on diversity, right? And the underlying theme was need human kindness, which you see on the screen behind me, one of the slides from the program. And you'll notice the logo that my friend and I designed a few years back, that there's a peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin, inside each of our hearts. And there's also two people, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others too. And it's so important that we show that kindness, because sometimes someone who's an eye shot or earshot of hearing or seeing that positive action, it might change their heart in a positive way too. And as it relates to diversity, diversity is basically our differences. And we could be different on the outside, how we dress, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak, our skin color, how we're born, how we walk, how we talk, how we see, how we hear, how we learn. All of that combined, we have to respect what's on the outside of someone, their differences, honor those on the outside, but also what's on the inside. And that's our talents, our gifts, our abilities, our skills, that we have this deeper appreciation for both what's on the outside and on the inside of someone. So we know that we can show that kindness. We always have a choice to, that self-love, that self-kindness, and then we choose to give it out to someone else. This also ties into the concept that I bring up in all my assemblies, which is that we're all true miracles. And I traced this on my hand. I saw some of the students that had traced theirs as well, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you have at least one in each hand, right? And this M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W's for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But once we buy into this, now it's up to us to go out and shine that light and help others that maybe have forgotten that, never been told that, right? To be the light to their heart. And this also really kind of piggybacked on another underlying focus for the talks today, and that was the idea of unconditional love. Right? Love without any conditions. That if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider than us, skinnier than us, different skin color than us, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, any difference that we might see, right? We still have a choice to show love. In a world where you can be anything, we have to choose to be kind. And, we have to understand that these differences are what make this world beautiful. It's what makes schools like this so amazing. Because if we were all the same, that'd be very boring, right? But we have this opportunity to grow from each other, to learn from each other. That we learn a lot in the classroom as it relates to the subject matter, throughout the school day. But there's another heart knowledge that we can gain if we open our hearts to people around us, right? And, we all have a story. We all come from different backgrounds, different walks of life. And if we embrace that, we can grow, right? We can become better for it and become better citizens for this world, better people for this planet. And that's how we also start to heal this planet, is one act of kindness at a time, right? That we choose to help lift others, that we rise by lifting others. If we make that conscious choice each and every day, we start to see things around us change in a very positive way. And that's why it was so amazing for me to see a lot of the pin drop moments throughout the programs right here today at Keith, through the different inspirational videos, the positive music, the experiential exercises, some of the heartfelt stories as well, the picture slides that reinforce those too. You just saw that a lot of them really got it. Some that shared their heart with me afterwards, said something touched their heart, and that means that we have big hearts. And now it's up to us to go and share that same kindness that was given here today, that was felt here today in these moments, to go out and really, make this school and our community a brighter place for everyone. So thank you again for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day. I had a great time getting to see some new dragons and spend some time with those that I've met already in the past. As always, have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. And feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.